Okay, so remember I have my witness mark for my drawer bottom. I've got the drawer bottom that's gonna fit into here, okay? But before I change the setup, I need to verify that I actually have the dimension that we're shooting for, that was on our original drawing. So let's verify the drawer is fitting together really well. I'll use my fence and we'll make a few measurements. Again, it's the inside dimension that we're shooting for, 11 3/8. Okay, the height isn't that critical, but we said 3 inches. And remember, Mr. Julius Bloom from Austria says they want that 12 inches. We're ready to go. So what I'm gonna do next is, I'm gonna create the groove for my drawer bottom. Now, you're tempted to get your dado set out about right now, but that doesn't make sense because this stuff is less than a 1/4 inch. It's imported and it's always built in millimeter land. And if I measure it like this, it's somewhere between 3/16 and a 1/4 inch. I don't care what the number is. Okay, these are real. These are Testius Pisiuses. So we're gonna bring this over, and again, the specifications say it has to be a 1/2 inch. So where's my little 1/2 inch? Oh, it's in my pocket. I'm gonna put this right here, and my dimension is over. The height of it is not that critical, but I'm gonna go for about a 1/4 inch. Again, I'm gonna use this as a spacer. I'm gonna come over here, table saw blade is off. I'm gonna feel that and go a little bit less. Chicken out here. You can always raise it and come back again. And now, here we go with our test piece. That's a 1/2 inch. That's a 1/4 inch. We're ready to rumble. Now notice that I've got my setup at a 1/2 inch, okay? Not this way. This way is safer, okay? Now I'm gonna move it away from the fence by about a 1/16 of an inch. And once again, I'm gonna come back to my test piece. And try that. So now you can see that I've ripped that along that line so that I can take my plywood and get right in here. So let me measure the piece of plywood and see how big it's gonna be.